Guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some cigaree country style chicken, Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, Sunday dinner. Peeps, I'm going to show you the recipe. Alright, see chicken there. So I'm going to season up, rubbing the season and thing. Yes, my peeps, so I muscle the chicken and thing. Yeah, so I have some simple natural country style cigaree chicken. Guys, I never show you, I wash it and thing still, but I show you when I season up it. So I'm going to make it go and season for 8 hours, right? So guys, I'm going to show you the peas now, what I go on, rinse off my oil and things. See the pea rice and peas there. So the peas cook and things, and then I put some spice and flavor to the rice and peas. Remember your first is scallion, thyme, and your pepper. Coconut powder, right? You can mix coconut powder, maybe just put that way and semi-rice, right? Remember, please watch the video to the end, like and share. Jamaican cooking, remember that put some flavor and taste, spice. I've put little salt, not really enough. Remember, say rice and peas have to have taste, flavor. So you can eat the rice and peas alone. Remember, say outside of there, see chicken or the up there on country style cigaree chicken there, peeps. You can see rice, see lettuce there. You have some green season, ketchup and thing. Another up there on the chicken and thing. Yes, peeps. So I go on there. Rice and peas, but I boil up and things. So you know, so you have to make rice and peas, coconut juice, boil them properly. Or you want it to custard, yes, another update and things like chicken or fry and things like never show no drop in the pot and things like, but next time I'll show you full, right? So now the chicken have to fry to them golden brown, yes, remember. So at first, I'm going to turn the chicken and things to them golden brown, yes. I got somebody that hungry or something, so right now, I can't wait for the recipe done, so I'm going to turn the chicken and things, yeah, turn right and down and cook it. Right, okay, hungry and thing. Very much outside on the coal fire. Okay, that recipe is a nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Guys, remember please watch the video to the end, right, and share. Remember to subscribe. Yes, guys. Now watch the scallion and the bone up and thing. Just have to flavor the oil. I got the scallion and garlic and pepper with the chicken. Flavor the chicken and flavor the oil. It has different taste and nicer flavor and thing. Yes. The presentation, so I fry them and then get brown. Remember, country style cigaree chicken. This my peeps, yeah. And I turn them on the other side again, turn them by the other side and see, yeah. And that's make the chicken fry, crystal, brown. Yes, my peeps. And then I want some white chicken in the pot, I want some fry, so I cook. Yes, and that's the outside cooking. Just brown fry them and thing there, so add them back to the pot. And I got season up pot and thing now, guys, remember. Cigaree country style chicken. The recipe of eat with taste, so you can add some water to it and thing. You know, the spice stuff and thing. I really want enough water to it, so I don't want the chicken cook nice. Some people say I'm steam chicken, but me want my chicken to cook. I don't want to see no rawness, I don't want to taste no rawness when my chicken done. So I'm going to add some ketchup to taste and flavor. Another update, you see the rice and peas, you see the peas cook and thing. You can take out the peas. Remember, see a cold stove. Say a cold stove, so one cold stove, so I have to take out chicken, take out the peas, take out the peas. So the chicken I cook and thing up there on the peas and thing there, yeah. See, boil them to custard and thing the peeps. I see if make a rice and peas look, put them to the custard, so the peas they well cook and thing and spice up. So you know, the next step I put the rice night and thing, so the wash off and thing. Yes, and I show you an update, all of the recipe, preview on all of the recipe and thing, guys. See, country style cigaree chicken ready and thing there, eatable, tasteable presentation, finger licking. Some put them about the rice and peas pot now. Guys, I never show them put the rice and thing, I never show them wash the rice and thing, but next time I'll show them the full video and thing, guys. Yeah. Another update on the rice and peas there. You can see rice and peas are steamed them and thing. But never show them when it boil up and thing, yeah. But see, boil up and dry down, so I stir it up and thing, make it go and steam out. It's ready to about 6 more to 7 more minutes. I want the steam right out and thing, guys. So we don't know rice and peas have prepare properly, yeah. So end of the day, you can eat and keep to the next day and not sour. So when the rice and peas not dry out the right way, you quick for sour, so you make it steam out properly. So see presentation, the eatable, tasteable. So the recipe is ready. You can see presentation, see chicken there, see lettuce there. Remember country style cigaree chicken. Another update again for the rice and peas peeps. Yes. See what I go on? Rice and peas dry down and things there, so I'm going to stir it up. I don't know. Steam out and ready. It want about 2 more minutes still, peeps. Not ready full yet. It want about I have to stir it, because I don't know if I stir it in. You go and steam out properly. Yeah. Another update again. See rice and peas ready there now. Yes, peeps. And see country style cigaree chicken ready. So you know so the recipe ready and now. See presentation, see lettuce there, see chicken, rice and peas. Next time I'm showing you the full video. Guys, please remember watch the video to the end. Like, share. It's a recipe and nice, eatable, tastable. Remember 7 times rice, 7 times fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up sexy body girl, big up fall God first and everything.